You see a clue? Where? There is a clue. It's on the window. Wow. You know we need our handy dandy. Nope. Notebook. Okay. So, a wind. So we draw a curly, another curly, and a circle. And we have a wind. Okay. You see a clue? Where? There is a clue. It's on this brick, on the bricks. You know we need our handy dandy notebook. Okay. So, bricks. I'll draw that rectangle right here. Another rectangle. And we have a... Yeah, I know. I was just saying, I would like to find the clues like you. Oh, you see a clue? Where? So, you know we need our handy dandy notebook. Okay. So our last clue is clouds. We draw that wiggly line like this and we have a cloud. Hey, we have all three clues. You know what this means? We're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Okay, let's go.